In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about arcs and chords. So we have two problems here, and this one says, what is the measure of arc BC? So we're trying to find this arc, okay? And then on this side, we're trying to find the value of x, and we're given the arcs in terms of an equation, okay? So let's start with this side. So we know that two arcs in a circle are congruent if their corresponding chords are congruent. So these are the chords that make up those arcs, okay? So we can see from the diagram that their corresponding chords are congruent. We can see the red line. What the red line means is this length is exactly the same length as this length. So because these are equal, that means these arc lengths are also, these arc measures are also equal, okay? So that means arc AD is equal to arc BC. So arc AD is equal to arc BC. So we know AD is equal to 70 degrees. So that means arc BC is also equal to 70 degrees here, okay? So that solves that side. So same steps on this side, exactly. So two arcs in a circle are congruent if their corresponding chords are congruent. So we can see from the diagram that their corresponding chords are congruent. They both have a length of 12. So this chord has a length of 12 and this chord has a length of 12. That means this arc measure is exactly the same as this arc measure. So that means now arc AB equals to arc CD. So now we can just put in what those equal. Well, arc AB equals to 3x minus 15 and arc CD equals to 2x. So now we could just isolate x, right? So the way to do that is subtract 2x from both sides and then add 15 to both sides. And then that'll gives us x equals 15. So that's it. That's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. You'll find there a link to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are very similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.